Hi all, so it's been a few weeks since I last did a video on the PX200, so here's a little update of what I've been up to. So I've been doing lots of wiring. Basically I'm doing the car wiring. So by car wiring I mean the stuff that isn't for the engine, because we did the engine wiring before. So this is lights, indicators, horn, you know, all that kind of stuff. There will be a separate video on the wiring because it's one of the few things I feel I actually know what I'm doing, so I'm trying to do a kind of a how-to video on that. So for more details on that, obviously see the other video. So that's been taking quite a bit of time. So for the wiring, I partially tidied it all up. I've run out of trunking though, so I'm just waiting for some trunking to be able to finish the rest of it. So we've got some bits fairly tidy and then some bits a rat's nest. I'll show you the 3D printed dash in a minute, but again, there's going to be a separate video on that. So this really is just a little short update just to let you know I'm still alive, and you can try doing the spot what's happened since last time I saw a video. So as I indicated before, the videos on the PX200 seem to be dropping off, the number of people watching them, when I was trying to do it weekly. So I kind of assume weekly is a bit too much for the updates on here. So I'm going to go back to just doing periodic updates, which I hope you follow, and please do those things, please like and all that kind of stuff. And if you know anyone who's into this sort of thing, particularly now we can definitely see the light at the end of the tunnel, please let any friends know about it, share the channel and all that kind of stuff. That'd be brilliant. And I will show you a bit more on the dash in a second. The other thing I've been progressing is doing a bit of the bodywork stuff. So these side panels I've given another coat of the really clear resin, as well as these vents that I made a while ago. Given the nose another coat, and it looks fairly good until you look up close, and there's still some of those little pin pricks on there. I think what I'm going to do is degas the resin next time. So I think it might be these little pin pricks might be tiny little bubbles in the resin. Got the bigger vents there, and I've also been doing some 3D printing. So these are going to go inside the front wing for the lights to semi-mount in. The bottom LED fog light is going to mount directly in there. I've got some screws in there, and then the headlight will still mount on the scaffolding that I made before, but it will sort of fit snugly onto there. And I've got some holes here, so I'm going to put a little bracket around, so it should keep that headlight nice and firm so as it's not wobbling around. So I've also fitted one of these breathers to the tank as well, one of these rollover things, so it allows air in and out ordinarily, but if you've had a slight mishap and the car's on its roof, or what this has of a roof, fuel doesn't pour out of there. So I think that pretty well brings you up to date now with where I am on the car and what I've done recently. Paint is still an ongoing thing. I'll probably be ordering the paint fairly soon. I kind of feel I've got to get on and get this paint done before too long. Might be a bit better now, but where it's been obviously cold and damp out in the garage, there is quite a lot of surface rust coming on this chassis now, so hopefully that won't be too far off. Thanks for getting this far. Hit that subscribe button if you're not already, and I'll see you in a little while.